सदाशिवसमारम्भाम् ज्ञानसम्बन्धाचार्यमध्यमाम् अस्मदाचार्यपर्यन्ताम् वन्दे गुरुपरम्पराम्. I welcome you all with my love and respects. We are all in the breathing space of Shiva, Mahadeva. We are in the land of Mahadeva, Shiva, to experience him, to experience Shiva. Please understand, the word Shiva in Sanskrit means causeless auspiciousness, the reasonless auspiciousness, which is the source behind the existence, which is the force behind the existence. This force assumed human form also and moved in the planet Earth. This land is the land where the source assumed the human body and moved around in the planet Earth. And when a divine assumes the human frame, it can any time go back to the higher frequency and reside in that formless state, or reduce the frequency again, assume the human frame. Mahadeva has done thousands of leelas by assuming the human body and again relaxing into the formless energy. This area, this part, this land is the space where he assumes the human body, performs the extraordinary miracles, and again relaxes into the formless energy. Force becoming form, form again becoming force, happens in this very land, Kailasha. Kailash is the mitochondria of macrocosm. Please understand how mitochondria is the energy component of your cell, which is responsible for life in microcosm, your human body, human frame. Kailash is the mitochondria for the macrocosm, the whole cosmos. Kailash is the spiritual center of the whole universe. You guys are blessed, chosen few, not by anybody else, by yourself. Understand, all chosen fews are chosen by themselves. Blessed are those who choose themselves among the chosen few. You guys have choose to be in the chosen few. You guys are blessed and fortunate to be in the breathing space of Mahadeva, Shiva, melt. Melt like the snow on the Kailash. Pour yourself on him. This is the place for enlightenment. Understand? This is the place for enlightenment. To experience the universal oneness with the cosmos, where Mahadeva is radiating the superconsciousness. Shiva's presence is vibrant, alive in everything. If I were to describe in one word this whole journey, the whole journey will be a long, unbroken meditation experience. You are not going to be meditating. Meditation is going to be doing you. Because the whole space is breathing Shiva. What will you do? Just relax into this space. The space of Mahadeva, space of Shiva. Radiate that costless auspiciousness in your being. It is not just a pilgrimage. I tell you, it is not some journey to some place. It is inner journey. Literally, you will go through the transformation. Tremendous transformation. Let the Mahamantra, Namah Shivaya, be continuously vibrating in your presence. Let this Mahamantra, Namah Shivaya, be filling your whole being. From the time immemorial, all the great masters visited this Kailash. Many of them left their body in Kailash. I can say Kailash is more than 100,000 enlightened masters Jiva Samadhi. Means the living tomb of at least 100,000 enlightened masters. From Buddha to Adi Shankara, all masters visited here. Adi Shankara also came to Kailash. Only during that time he established the Agamic Vedic way of worship in Kathmandu Pasupatinath temple. Adi Shankara has a unique way of uniting the country. He brought the priests from Karnataka and established them in Pasupatinath temple. Even today, the priests from Karnataka Brahmins do puja in Pasupatinath temple. And North Indian Brahmins do puja in Rameshwaram temple. Kerala priests do puja in Kedarnath. and Badrinath. In both the places, Adi Shankara has a unique way of uniting the country. Kailash is the place Adi Shankara received the 5 Shivalingas from Shiva, and Kailash is the place he was in the Abheda Bhava, Advaita Bhava, one with Shiva, and described the glory of Devi in Saundarya Lahari.